We're down here at Carterville at the car show. Showing time, so let's go check it out.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
There's the police. Huh? That's a cool old Dodge.
Nick Hopkins.
Craneville, huh?
Nick Hopkins. Illinois State Police.
Where's my buddy at? Where'd Dylan go?
I think he's up there.
Huh?
I think he's up there. Dodge.
Yeah, look at this. That's sweet. Super B Duster.
Yeah, that one's sexy.
And a Charger. Oh hell. GT40. Oh my.
I'd get in trouble if I had one of these.
Oh.
Like, I would just have to go
Golly.
fast. Like, there's no going slow. Like, I don't care. Like anything.
That's my favorite so far.
Anything that makes you look like you and feel like you're in an airplane, you gotta go fast.
Golly, look at the interior in that thing. That is sweet. Pretty nice. Oh, that's sweet. That's a beautiful color. Roadrunner.
Roadrunners and satellites. That baby. Roadrunners and satellites.
Little Mustang. Chevy Chevelle.
The Chevelle's from Heron.
Yeah. Back when I showed my red truck, I was in shows with that thing all the time. And that Mustang. Nice little box Chevy. Man, that sounds healthy.
That's that Gone Wild one.
Taz.
In a car, it's still good.
There's all the trophies, guys. All them pretty things.
As long as we get something, pal, we're good.
Top 10, Mayor's Choice, Village Choice, Police Choice, Kids Choice, Best of Show,